If you want to show or hide notification content on lock screen on a Motorola Moto G87, first of all we need to go to Settings. Now over here in Settings you want to scroll down a little bit and then go to Home and Lock Screen. And then over here we want to find the lock screen option. We want to go here. Now there are two options. You might have a privacy option, so you can go over here and you can, for example, choose show sensitive content only when unlocked to hide the notification content. And if you want to show the notification content, you can of course choose to show all notifications on lock screen. And there is also a second option that you will find a sensitive content or sensitive notifications switcher over here in the settings, which in my case is not available, but I know that on some other Motorola smartphones it looks like that. So there is a chance that it's going to look like that in the future over here. So if you have the sensitive notifications switcher or something similar to that, you can of course use that in order to show or hide the content. Leave a like and subscribe.